This is Nas.io, a product we love that you will also love. Nas.io solves your biggest problem, managing an online community. Take Lorena, for example. She wants to teach her followers about sustainability and start a green community. She needs a WhatsApp for the chat. She needs a website for the home, Google Forms for member applications, PayPal for payments, Google Drive for courses, and of course, Zoom for events. None of these services talk to each other, and Lorena is drowning in busy admin work just to support a community of 20 members. Now imagine if she gets 20,000! Hello, Nas.io, the all-in-one solution for your community needs. The magic of 2 clicks. With just 2 clicks, you can integrate Nas.io with WhatsApp, Discord, Facebook groups, and Telegram, and supercharge them. With 2 clicks, you get a beautiful landing page for your community. 2 more clicks, you accept payments and monetize. 2 more clicks, you upload private courses for members. 2 more clicks, you create Zoom events that are automatically shared with everyone. 2 more clicks, you email or text your community using Magic Reach. And if you love Web3 like we do, all it takes is 2 clicks for token gating. Nas.io is so simple to use that anyone can start. Content creators use Nas.io to manage their audience. Web3 founders use Nas.io for NFT projects. Educators use Nas.io to run courses. Businesses use Nas.io to manage customers. And the best part, you can start for free with just 2 clicks. From all of us at Nas.io, thank you for trusting us. Let's go on a journey to build communities and bring millions of people together.